topic is how to live happy life. I 10 minutes mein ke summarize karan is gonna be very difficult, but I'll just roll it. Let's go to the next slide. Depression actually kadi bimari hai. It is a chemical imbalance in the brain. We all know that. That's what psychiatrists do. That's what we treat with medications. Yo tamam common problem hai. In United States, 5% of their population is diagnosed with depression. That's in the United States. It is the most common disease of mental illnesses. By the way, the 20% of United States population, 1 in 5, is diagnosed with a mental illness. The EO depression is the most common form of mental illness. Next, keep going. Time kone. Acha, most important message that I want to convey, the jeko mood ahe, jeko tama feel tha kayo, it's like flu. Hane in jo cha maqsad hai, yo maqsad yo hai ta jiye flu hikde kha be khe lage tho, bilkul iye hi tama jo mood, tama je barsa vechal manu khe lage tho. Tama 10 minute hikdi udasi ji movie diso na, you will walk out feeling sad. तव्हां 10 मिनट हिकिड़े अहिड़े माण्हू सां तालुक़ रखो जेको तव्हांखे लतीफ़ा थो ॿुधाए, खिलजी ॻाल्हियूं थो ॿुधाए, so you will walk out feeling happy. Isn't that true? Which means what? Which means point slide 7 jo. Okay. Which means you have a choice to avoid bad things come to you. And you have a choice to welcome good things come to you. तव्हां अॼु बि जे हींअर थोरो सोचो त तव्हां अहिड़नि ॿिनि टिनि माण्हुनि खे ज़रूरु सुञाणंदा हूंदा. Those are what we call cry babies. उहे हमेशा negative attitude, उदासी जी ॻाल्हियुनि ते ज़ोर ॾींदा, and they would want you to appreciate it. उहे चाहींदा त तव्हां उन सां गॾु वही उन ॻाल्हि खे उहो ई महसूसु करियो जीअं उहे था महसूसु कनि, which is negative. And you have a choice to avoid it. I tell my patients to avoid that. On the other hand, उहे माण्हू आहिनि जेके तव्हां जीअं मुंहिंजो दोस्त अदो समद वेठो आहे हुते, you go to him and he'll make you laugh, irrespective of everything. ऐं जॾहिं तव्हां उन अहिड़नि दोस्तनि सां तालुक़ रखंदो, the mood will convey to you. It will make you happy as well. It's a very important thing to do. You have a choice, or your choice is, so you can select which way to go. Next slide. Okay. Make your body work for your brain. New concept, but it is a hot topic these days because it has been proven. यो गाल proof थी चुकी है तो तव्हांजी जेकी body है, lower down your brain can actually affect your brain very heavily. Next. Okay, exercise regularly. We are talking about how to live happy. ऐं उन बारे में exercise has the cornerstones like a backbone. छा थींदो आहे जो जॾहिं तव्हां exercise कंदा आहियो regularly, it breaks from your daily routine. We all have a boring routine. तव्हांजी ऐं मुंहिंजी लाइफ में हिकिड़ो monotonous आहे, उन ई रोड तां, उन ई गाॾी में, उन ई माण्हुनि सां माण्हू हमेशा रहे थो. And when you come home, there is a monotonous that actually eventually takes over and makes you unhappy. You can break that